All right, today is a sad day at Aspilla Urban Farms. What happened today, guys?
The chicken died. Can I show you?
No, can't show the chicken on Instagram.
Why?
No, it's not allowed. What happened? What killed the chicken?
A skunk.
A skunk. Yes, so...
I want to show you it.
No, we can't show it online.
Can you make a different one to show?
Why do you want to video a dead... No. So my mother heard some commotion in the backyard, and it was a skunk versus one of our chickens, and it is gone. Mommy's coming home.
I'm so sorry.
You're so sorry that your pet chicken's gone.
I want to see it.
Not really.
Me either. I haven't seen it.
So we are gonna have a little chicken funeral here today, and just cleaning up the crime scene right now. There were feathers around here. You can still see some feathers down there from the battle. Our other chicken, Big Bird, is doing well. There's Big Bird. Is Big Bird in here?
Yeah.
There she is. So the plan is we shall get another chicken, right? So that they could have a buddy. Alrighty. Here's Josiah's first grave that he's ever digging in his life.
Don't do that.
What?
Daddy, can I dig too?
Yeah. Oh, Bubba, are you crying?
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
I want to dig it too.
You want to dig it too? Okay.
Me and Bella are crying.
All right, Bubba.
Done.
You're done.
Okay, let's go a little deeper.
All right, your turn.
Get another chicken. Don't worry.
Oh, I'm not even worrying.
Do chickens go to heaven? That's one of my questions. Like, what the?
Pet ones do.
Pet chickens go to heaven?
Sure, why not?
All right, that is where she lays.
That's awful. Poor chicken.
Like where she lays down,
It's okay.
not lays eggs. Because that's over. Oh, Bubba, I'm sorry.
She's actually
Bubba.
sad. Don't throw that on the camera. That's
Like,
not nice.
bucket, I was like, this is where she lays. I feel terrible. Okay, I'm sorry. Like, all right. So we have a misspelled sign. It was supposed to say Popeye, but
No, we're gonna forget.
you are now Poppy. All right. Boom, boom.